Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can transfer your domain name from Squarespace to Bluehost. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my Squarespace site, and since I don't have a purchased domain name, I'm going to have to explain everything through another guide that I've found. But first, I'm going to show you where you're going to find your domain settings on Squarespace. So you just need to go into your settings, you go into domains and email, you go onto domains, and then here you'll find your domain name. Now, as you can see, I only have a built-in domain because I am on a free version of Squarespace. But once you find your domain name over here, just click on it, and then you'll have your options here. As you can see, I don't have any domain settings since, of course, I am on the built-in domain, but you'll see what I mean when I say settings and what you need to do, what you need to change. So let's get started right now. First, just as a matter of precaution, you should review your contact information, which is including your domain's whois database record and ICANN, as ICANN requires. And you should, by the way, disable your whois protection if you have it on your Squarespace site. Then you're going to need to disable your privacy. So if you go over into this tab over here, you're going to see a lock or unlock for your site. You need to unlock it, make your site public. That, and you're going to need to update your name servers as well. So you'll have an option to change your name servers, and if you find any Squarespace name servers, just delete them, add these two name servers, and once you do that, and of course unlock the domain if you haven't already, then you need to obtain the EPP code, which is the authorization code. You just need to go here, click on the ellipses or the three dots at the top right, and request a code to be sent to your email address, which is tied to your account. Once you do that, copy that code somewhere where you can access it. Then to initiate a domain transfer, you need to log into Bluehost. Then there are several ways to initiate one: through the Home tab, through the Domains tab, and through the Marketplace. Under the Home tab, just of your account manager, just click Transfer My Domain instead. Under the Domain search, under the Domains tab, you can just click Start Transfer In, and under Marketplace, you can just click the Marketplace navigation menu. On the right, you'll see click the Transfer a Domain you already own link under the search bar, and then click the Claim Offer button under the Domain Transfer In. Then just in the Transfer Domain Name section, enter the domain name you want to transfer. The system will check the eligibility for transfer, and if it is eligible, it'll be added to your cart. Then you just need to select your preferred length of term for the drop-down menu, then review your cart and order summary, add a promo code if you have it, and then go to checkout, process the payment, and then when you do, when you return to your account manager, you will be able to enter your authentication key, which I have mentioned previously, which is the EPP code from your email. Then update your name servers, set your renewal preference, and choose if you would like to add domain privacy. And that should be it. And it may take up to 5 days for the transfer to complete, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.